Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about finding how to find the square and cube root of a whole numbers. So first we will start with the square root. Okay. Suppose we have a value. Find square root of 1296. Okay. So we will solve it by using prime factorization method. Now we will start, as we already know that how to find the prime factorization. So we will start with this one. The same method we will follow. This is important that when you are dividing the values, if the number is even, it is always divided by the 2, because you know that prime factorization means that we can use only prime numbers while dividing the values, and 2 is the only even prime number. So whenever there is a even value, we will divide it with 2, but if there is an odd value, then we can vary the values like 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and onwards. So again, this is an even number, so we will divide it with 2 again. We will continue with 2 as such as the even numbers are coming. 1 62 again divided by 2, this is 81. Now this is an odd number, so first we will start with the 3. So if we divide it with the 3, how many times? 27 times. Then 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. So this is the prime factorization of 1296. Now the main thing which we have to follow to find the square root, that is, we are going to write, after doing the prime factorization, we will write like this in the form of square root, and we write all the numbers. 2 is coming 4 times and 3 is also coming 4 times. As we are finding the square root, so we will make the pair of the numbers. We will make pairs of the numbers. Now basically this square root sign is on all the values, so this square root sign will cancel all the squares of the given values, so we will left with these 4 numbers. Now in the last step we will multiply all the numbers and we will get 36. This is our answer. So 36 is the square root of 1296. This is the method through which we find the square root of a whole numbers of any value, okay, by using prime factorization. Now how to find the cube root of the numbers? Let's start with the cube root of the number. So we have already done with the square root of a whole number. Now we will solve the sum, that how to find the cube root of a number. Okay, the method to find, suppose if we need to find the square root, the method is same for all the values. The only difference is this one, that the values are changes. Same is the case with the cube root, that when you are solving the sums by using the prime factorization, same method will be followed. The only difference is that in square root we make the pair of the number, and in cube root we make the group of 3 numbers. For example, let's start with the question again using prime factorization. As now see, this is a odd number, so we cannot divide it with 2, so let's start with 3 first. 3 11 25, then again divided by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21. Like this, the first number is smaller, so we will take 11. So 3 3 is 9, and if we cut them like, then 2 is remainder. 2 and 2, this is 22, 3 sevens are 21, again 1 is left, so 3 5 are 15. This is how you do the direct division. Again, 3 ones are 3 and 75, it's a simple value, so 3 to the 6, 1 is remainder, 3 5 the 15. Now we can see that we cannot divide 125 with the 3, so we will start with 5. 525 the 125, 5 multiply 5, and again 5 ones are 5. Now we will find the cube root value of 3375 by using the same method which we did in square root. The only difference that we have a cube over here, 3 over here, which shows that this is a cube root. Now we will again make the write their prime factorization within the cube root sign. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now we will make a group of 3. Okay, so this is like cube root of 3 cube and 5 cube. Now we will cancel all 3 of them because this cube root sign is on both the values 3 cube and 5 cube as well. This cube root will cancel the value of cube and we will left with 3 multiplied by 5, and 15 is the final answer. So students, you have seen that to find the square root and cube root of a whole number by using prime factorization, the method is same. The only difference is this one, that in square root we take only two values to remove the square root sign, and in cube root we take three values, group of three values make to remove the cube root sign. So this is the method through which we can find the square root and cube root respectively. So whatever the value is, so always follow the same method and you will be able to find the answer without using the calculator. So see you in the next video with new topics as well. Thank you.